have a new version of the smart switch assembled, being powered externally from a 12-volt power source. New regulator is working fine, not using the Ethernet connection right now, and all the buttons currently work. Buttons over there worked for programming, and it is currently hooked up through MQTT to no red. So there are a few more modes, but the main ones for color control is it can just statically set the color, or you can tell it to fade between colors. And it does it mathematically. And then if a mode I've now added, it can act as a ring and rotate around, and you can control what three LEDs are one color and then one's a different color. You can control what color both of them are, and you can control what direction they're going. And if you had another one doing it, they will synchronize to each other. In both directions they synchronize. So for example, I have wireless doorbells, which notifies me on a tower light, but by pushing that I can reset it. And then I have a closet light that this button is linked to, so I can turn that light on and off. But I also use a motion sensor in said closet. So if I activate it with the motion sensor, it's a different color, and it's 10 seconds, and then if it detects motion, it resets itself. There. Now it's turned off the closet light. But if it activates and I want it to stay on longer, I can manually override and then turn it off. So I plan to fix the payload messages, as well as adding an access point for programming Wi-Fi credentials, and then an update page currently being programmed so that you can view all the information on a website.